that? Whoa! Oh my goodness! What did you do?
Get your baby doll thing off the TV.
Wait, can you help her? Okay, go get in your tent. Okay, go ahead. Hi, baby. Do you like your tent? Yeah? You jumping in there, huh? Mimi got you your tent.
Is this Mimi's?
No, it's Liliana's. Mimi got it for you. Yeah.
Open it.
That's okay.
Stuck. Oh, can't reach it.
Hey,
Oh.
quit jumping in there. You're going to knock it down again. No, don't do that. Love you.
Love you.
Night-night.
Bye.